Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to blend two videos on CapCut. So here you just need to import the two videos that you want to blend like this, and then make one of the video as overlay. I'm going to choose the first one, click on overlay, and it will become like this. Then go to mask, then select split. Okay, so you can, if you want to blend it like this, you can just drag the arrow to make it blend, but I'm going to just rotate the masking to -90 degrees. Okay, then after that, if you want to blend, just drag the arrow like before, like this. You can adjust on how much the fade out effect you want. Then just click on a check icon and you'll have these two videos blending like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button. Thank you.